In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Pipedrive. Custom fields let you capture the exact information your team cares about, things like lead source specifics, contract terms, or product attributes, so your pipeline reflects your unique process. We'll walk through where to find the setting and how to start creating those fields confidently. First, go to Pipedrive in your browser and sign into your workspace. For this task, you'll need the right permissions. If you don't see certain options later on, check with your account admin to make sure you have access. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. Depending on your layout, it may look like an avatar or include a small gear. This opens the menu where all your account and company-wide controls live. From that menu, choose Company Settings. This is the central hub for anything that affects your whole organization in Pipedrive. Opening it ensures you're editing shared settings rather than just personal preferences. Inside Company Settings, find and select Data Fields. Think of this area as your library of information, both the default fields that come with Pipedrive and the custom ones you'll add. It's organized by item type like deals, people, organizations, products, and more, so you always know where a field will appear. Now click Custom Field. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options to tailor fields to a specific item type and to choose the format that best matches the data you plan to store. As you set this up, pick a clear, consistent name that your whole team will recognize at a glance. A short description can help explain when to use the field or what values to enter, which improves data quality across the board. When choosing a field type, such as text, number, date, single option, multiple options, or user, match the type to how you'll report on it later. For example, use numbers for amounts you'll sum or compare, dates for milestones you'll sort by, and single or multiple options to standardize values for filters and reports. If you're considering making a field required, be sure it's essential at that stage of your process. Too many required fields can slow your team down. After creating your field, keep an eye on how it appears in forms and list views. A quick test with a sample record can confirm that it's easy to find, easy to fill out, and useful in filters and reports. That's it. You've navigated to Company Settings, opened Data Fields, and started creating a custom field tailored to your workflow. Save your changes, align with your team on naming and usage, and enjoy cleaner data and sharper insights in Pipedrive.